AllasYummyFood, and today we're going to be making white chocolate strawberry lava cake. It's so delicious. Basically, it's like a white sponge cake topped with strawberry on top. It's so good. It doesn't really ooze out as much as all my other lava cakes, but the principle is the same. You can just add more strawberry on top, decorate it with icing sugar and more berries or ice cream, and the combination is amazing. Fluffy white chocolate sponge with delicious strawberry ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to check out all my other recipes as well. I will include all the playlists at the end of this video. And if you want to see something else, leave the comment down below. I read all my comments and I love reading them from you. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you're updated every single time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. In a bowl, add white chocolate. Use the highest white chocolate you can, and then add your unsalted butter, and in a microwave melt it together until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you don't burn your white chocolate. In a separate bowl, add your eggs with icing sugar and mix everything until it's nice and smooth. Then add your vanilla extract and mix everything together. Next, I'm adding my white chocolate mixture with butter and mixing everything again until it's nice and smooth. Then add your sifted flour and whisk everything until it becomes nice and smooth again. Take your ramekins and use butter around, and then we're going to add some flour. This is to ensure that our cakes don't get stuck to the ramekins. Then add your white chocolate mixture inside, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons. Then add 2 teaspoons of your strawberry jam inside, and then top it up with more white chocolate mixture. We're going to bake these for about 15 to 17 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Next, when it's done, you want to flip it over and you will see the strawberry on the top, and it's such a delicious strawberry cake with vanilla. I'm adding some icing sugar on top and more strawberry jam as well. And then you can add some fresh fruit. You can also add some fresh ice cream or cream, whatever you like. Guys, this cake is so delicious. It's very fluffy, very light. Tastes absolutely amazing, and I love strawberry and vanilla combination. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I've included some more videos for you at the end of this video so you can check out more stuff. Leave your comments down below and press the like button.